Hi everyone, my name is Arvin Olano and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, nobody asked, but in today's video, we are finally sharing our bathroom renovation. This video is in partnership with European Bath. European Bath is your local destination for luxury design. They are located in Las Vegas at the World Market Design Center, but they can be of assistance wherever luxury design is needed. We couldn't have done this renovation alone, and with their guidance and expertise, they helped us navigate through all the different moving parts to make this renovation process seamless. And of course, all of the links will be down below in the description box. And oh, if you place an order with European Bath and mention my name, you're gonna get a huge discount. So before I can show you the bathroom reveal, let's see what it looked like a few months ago. So before the renovation, the vanity was just a little bit simple, a little bit basic. There was nothing exciting about it. We had a builder grade mirror that stretched from one end to the other, and the backsplash, well, there was no backsplash. All right, not much has happened in these last few days. The floor got leveled here where the bathtub is gonna go. They waterproofed this area, and this is to like hide the drains or something like that, but it'll kind of serve almost like a cute little shelf once it's covered. And same with the shower area, they waterproofed the walls as well.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound.
Here we have the vanity, and we really wanted to start with a tile that had lots and lots of movement. So we went ahead and chose this Arabescato tile that is so beautiful. It has this really bold gray and brown and beige tones. I really wanted to mix those warm and cool tones here in the bathroom. And like I said earlier, we wanted that light and bright feel because this room is the darkest room in the house. For the mirrors, we went for the Halo by Florco, and it's backlit, so when I'm getting ready in the morning, there's not enough light, I can turn it on and I can still look really nice when I'm doing my makeup. We kept the cabinets the same, but we did upgrade the cabinet hardware and went for these brass pulls by Top Knobs. I'll link these down below. I love this kind of ridge detail. I feel like our new faucets are the star of the show. We went for the Brizo Invari polished gold. We wanted something a little bit different, something with shine. And what I love about it is when water gets on the hardware, it almost looks like it's age and it has a little bit of patina. We now have this kind of opening in the middle, and we were thinking of adding open shelves. I'm not sure yet, but I love this kind of minimal look where you get that impact of the tile. I really wanted this space to feel like energizing in the morning with this pattern, because we didn't do, we didn't change any walls, we didn't do any crazy like reconfiguring of the space, but what I wanted to focus on was the material and the pattern of the tile. I really love the way the floor turned out here in the bathroom, and I completed it with this hand-knotted rug by Saria. It is an investment piece, but you guys know I love these like brown, warm, taupey tones, Toby tones. It's just so beautiful, and it helps to add that cozy factor into the bathroom. So the closet area is an absolute disaster. It's not organized, there's clothes everywhere, but we did not want to change the closet because I just didn't feel like investing in the closet. That's it, okay? But we did switch out the doors. The doors are pretty epic, and what's funny is this is actually just a shower door by Flurco. I was talking to my friends over at European Bath, and I was like, why don't we just use a shower door for the closet door, because it's the exact same dimensions. So it gave this nice contrast, like we have the mirror vanity over here, and then we have the closet over here. It helped to open up the space because it's like a glass moment, and this like black metal, it just really took this closet to the next level. And this is a very basic closet, so we're gonna organize this closet one day, but right now I don't have time. Our bathtub is the Juliet by MTI Baths, and I was so lucky to be invited by European Bath to join them on a trip to Sugar Hill, Georgia, so I can see firsthand how these luxury bathtubs are made. And I have to say, it is insane what they do over there. Everything is handmade, hand finished, and they have so many different options and sizes and styles to choose from. So if you are renovating, you are in your dream home, or you're really into bathtubs, make sure you check out MTI Bath. I will link this exact bathtub down below. We decided to go for the air bath feature, which feels like you are bathing in a hot spring. It is so, so luxurious. Brass fixtures, and I really loved how the tile kind of just surrounds the bathtub area. I'm actually looking for a cute little bath tray that's just simple and wooden. I couldn't find one, so if you have any recommendations, let me know. Sound off in the comments down below. And I like having like a little wooden stool right at the foot of the bathtub for a diffuser, a waffle towel. I love waffle towels in the spring, summer seasons because it's just nice and lightweight. Our shower area turned out exactly how I wanted. We raised the tile backsplash another 12 inches, and it also allowed us to raise the door up a little bit to create this verticality, and it feels like the shower area is even bigger than before, which it really isn't. It's a very small space, but the ceiling actually reaches up all the way to, what is it, like 15 feet up here, babe? Yeah, so it goes all the way up to 15 feet. So we really wanted to emphasize the height of the ceiling by raising the backsplash. It was a very simple thing, but again, impactful thing. Andrew really wanted a towel warmer. This one is by Tuzio. Tuzio has a bunch of different options, but I love the black because it matches all of our different choices. It matches the shower door, it matches the closet door, and I love that mix of black with brass and bold tile, and that combination to me just gets me excited. So it's also a nice contrast against all of our white walls. The shower door is so chic, like, oh my gosh, this sliding door, I love it so much. It's so easy to open. Again, it's by Flurco. You can get different finishes. We went ahead for the black. We also chose black Schluter, which is like the trim, to give it that contrast. But the bathroom now is just so dreamy. I love coming in here to take a shower. Brizo in the polished gold, and we got it with this little extra handle that I love turning left and right so I could do the rain shower. I went ahead and chose the 10-inch rain head shower can. It's so luxurious. I love it so much. And I splurged on our shampoo and conditioner. This is from Aesop. If you've ever stayed at the Santa Monica Proper Hotel, which you guys know is my favorite, they use Aesop shampoo and conditioner, and I wanted to recreate that like vacation luxury moment here in my home, and I'm telling you, anytime I take a bath, I feel like I'm on vacation. All right, everyone, that was it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and watch my kitchen renovation if you haven't seen that yet. Don't forget that all of the links and the sources will be down below in my description box. And if you don't mind, I'm gonna draw myself a bath while I still have this beautiful light. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.